The lure of the forgotten house. Lena always felt a strange attraction to the old house on the town's edge. Its decaying silhouette whispered secrets only she could hear. On a dare, she found herself at the threshold of its haunting embrace. The door opened with a groan, releasing whispers of the past. Dust and shadows danced upon forgotten furniture. Each step she took fed the growing unease within her. Despite the chills sliding down her spine, Lena moved forward. A feeling of being watched clung to her every move. The house seemed to live, breathing its chilling mystery. What awaits Lena in the depths of the forgotten? Join her journey into the supernatural, the whispering shadows. Lena stepped into the dimly lit house, shadows looming around her. The silence was deafening until the faint whispers started. They curled through the air like tendrils, just above a whisper. Trying to brush it off as the wind, she continued her exploration. Each creaking floorboard seemed to amplify the murmurs. Her pulse quickened as the voices became more distinct. Echoes resonated from the walls, seemingly aware of her presence. Then, a chilling voice breached the shadows, calling her name, "Lena!" Standing frozen, fear coursed through her veins. She realized she wasn't alone in this desolate place. The whispers pursued her, unveiling secrets yet untold. Step into the unknown with Lena. Subscribe for more spine-tingling tales. Join our story exploration and uncover the mysteries that lie within. The Mirror of Secrets. In the dimly lit hallway, Lena stumbles upon a majestic antique mirror. Its frame is adorned with intricate designs, whispering secrets of old. Drawn to its mysterious allure, she steps closer, curiosity tingling. Peering into the glass, her reflection feels unsettlingly wrong. The woman inside does not mimic Lindsay's cautious movements. Instead, she stands frozen, wearing a sinister, knowing smile. Lena's heart pounds as she reaches out with a trembling hand. Her fingers barely touch the mirror when the reflection's eyes blaze red. A cold dread ripples through her, turning intrigue into fear. Join Lena on her haunting journey to unveil this dark mystery. Subscribe and like for more chilling tales that will keep you on edge. Dare to enter the world of stories where the unknown awaits.